Welcome to Fireside Cocktails with Robbie. Summer starts tomorrow. Father's Day is on Sunday. Life is beautiful. Special shout out to my father, Robert Seibert, and my godfather, Bobby Valor. In honor of my father, we're going to do a refreshing summer cocktail that anyone can do. Gin and tonic. What we're going to do is elevate it just a little bit. What I've done is taken some herbs from my little herb garden. You see right here, some rosemary, sage, lavender, and lemon thyme. A couple of lemon wheels, a couple of lime wheels. We're going to add these aromatics to the bottom of my glass. Add the citrus wheels. Smells great. At this point, I'm going to take a couple dashes of orange bitters. Take your Weekender gin, 2 ounces. It's Father's Day weekend. Fill it with ice. And top it with tonic. I'm using Fever Tree's elderflower tonic. This is going to give a nice aromatic bonus to this cocktail. And that is an elevated gin and tonic. Happy Father's Day and happy drinking.